I'm gonna document this because they've been sending me all kinds. This is the fourth printer they've been sending me refurbished and bad. There's no printers in the country, and I have to. Don't mind me doing this because I've already been screwed for over $1,000. Can you? Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. It may not be open, but. Well, okay. I guess it doesn't look like it's refurbished. It looks like new.
Yeah, it does.
Let's see if it works. Where do I sign?
Just go ahead and sign right there. Yeah, if it doesn't work, you can always just send it back. So
That's my question.
yeah.
I may not be able to.
Try it out, see if it works. If it's not, then just put it back in the box and tell me.
Thanks.
There you go. You're welcome.
This thing is heavier than the black and white. You have a good day. Thanks for delivery.
You're welcome.
English, yes.
Yep.
United States, yes.
Yep.
Well, it only wants me to type 22. Okay, now time.
So it'd be a 0 in front of it. If it's a single digit, it's going to be a 0 first and then the number.
0209 p.m. Apply.
Say no. So yes, this is depending on if you want the printer to print in accurate colors or not.
So I write allow paper, blah blah blah, load paper in the tray. I already did load the paper. Okay.
Yeah, so it's going to print first, and then it's going to print out a page, and then you're going to scan that page, and it's going to tell you exactly how to scan it. You're going to scan it on the glass.
Put it in the tray. Close the thing. Start scanning.
So do you want to connect your printer to your
Yes.
Wi-Fi to be able to print wirelessly?
Yes,
So you're
exactly.
going to say yes.
Yes, yes.
Yep.
For more information, see owner's manual.
Okay, so just say okay to that.
Okay.
Yes.
SSID.
Yeah, select access point.
Okay. 5G. This one doesn't use 5G, so that's the one. Hold on a second.
Where are we at right now, sir?
Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Connected.
Oh, perfect.
Connected.
Awesome.
Close.
Perfect.
Back. Next.
And then just do not accept. And then end. Yeah.
Okay. I just want to print it out. Can I print it out?
No.
Network information. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then just real quick, I just want to check something. Let's go to network connection type.
Yeah. Wireless LAN.
And what's the status?
Normal.
Perfect. So let's hit the back button, and then I want you to go into IPv4. And what's the IP address?
That's not exciting. Let's go to IPv6 and see if we can memorize that number. Support software and drivers.
You own a Keller image class MF644Cdw, and then select the search result. It's going to bring you to 4-bit MF644/642 MF driver generic plus UFR2 generic fax and scan.
422. Okay, I see.
Yeah, 324/22.
Download. Let's create a folder for this sucker. What is it called? MF644 Cdw. I think it's a nice printer, just hella expensive. Like they overpaid for it, because that was the only one in the world that they have left. Canon doesn't have anymore. Okay, so locating and installing your download.
So yeah, whenever it's done downloading, we're just gonna, you can exit out of it, but whenever it's done downloading, we're just gonna launch it.
Okay, show this thing in the go, so just hit the exe. Okay, wonderful.
Yep. And then it's gonna be doing the WinZip extractor. Now we do have to go through this step by step, or else it'll install the rough drivers.
Yeah, let's do that, because I'm gonna leave it up to you, and that's going to exclude my next.
Leave it at that. Yeah, just hit next. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have to agree to the terms and conditions.
Yes.
And then it's gonna ask you USB or network connection. You're gonna select network connection.
Of course. Use program will modify the firewall. Okay. Fine.
Just be, yeah.
Now it's gonna search for the device.
Perfect.
643C, 644C, so I suppose that it found it. Printer, fax, scanner. What about this little
use
box
the
scanner
fax.
drive information assist service?
No, don't worry about that one. But
Just
do you
click.
use the fax at all?
Do I use fax? No, or it's just same
No.
old, no. So let's not use fax.
It's the traditional original fax, yeah. So uncheck the fax, just do printer and scanner, and pretty much you can actually hit next from here on out. There's nothing else we need to change here. You don't have to check that, and I wouldn't check that if I were you.
Okay, fine, all right. Am I gonna need to install a printer on all other Windows 11s and everything else? Like,
Yes, you will have to add it for each computer, yes.
Okay, fine. And I can use the same EXE that I'm using here right now?
100%, yes.
Okay, is it gonna install any tools from this EXE or?
No, this is strictly just drivers. We're going to have to download the MSN utility separately.
Yeah, we're gonna need to do that. Canon. I suppose I hit next. That's the one choice. Printer, Canon. Exit.
Yep, and once you hit exit, it'll print the test video.
Yes, it does.
Perfect.
It works. Look at that.
Hey. Awesome. So now what I want you to do
Accept.
is I want you to go back to the, well, this is actually up to you. So what this program does is send private data back to Canon about the use of your printer. So you may accept it or do not accept it. It's entirely up to you. The Windows 32-bit and 64-bit
32 and 64 gig.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Okay. Complete. That was
Perfect. Yeah, done.
that was
Done.
that was it? That was that fast?
Yeah, that was it. It was that fast.
So,
Yep, 100%. It's a very simple program.
okay.
So now what I want you to do is, are you on Windows 10 or Windows 11?
This one 10.
Okay. So I want you to click on the Start button for me, please. And at the very top of your Start menu, you should see where it says Recently Added. Below there, you should see the MF Scan utility. I want you to right-click on it, select More, and then Pin to Taskbar.
Not a bad idea. Okay, it's there.
Perfect. And let's open it up. And do you have anything that you might need to scan at this very moment?
No, other than that paper that we sent, the calibration
Yeah,
paper.
that works. So what I want you to do is on the MF Scan utility, I want you to click on Document for me, please. And that's going to immediately start scanning.
It sounds like it does.
Perfect. Yep.
Okay, so it says scan or exit.
So yeah, if you need to place another document to scan it within the PDF file, just hit scan. If you're done scanning, just exit.
I want to test this thing because sometimes on the other one didn't work. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to. I'm gonna exit now. It's gonna open up my. Oh, it doesn't even open up the. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It did. It did scan 2 pages, and it did indeed edit it as 2 PDF pages. Wonderful. Will it? Can I scan from printer? If I load like 10 papers in a tray, can I scan it from there and it will put it in the file automatically?
Yeah, you can scan it from the feeder as well. So it automatically detects which one the paper is in.
What? Yeah.
Goes from there.
Now I need to change the destination of this.
Okay.
How do I do that? Settings.
So you need to hit the destination. Yeah. So you would go to settings. You can change the destination there, but do you constantly like save a scan in a separate folder each time, or do you have them all go into one generalized folder?
Well, I have a scan folder on my desktop and then I disperse from there.
Oh, fair enough. Okay. So yeah, you would just save it, just change it there then. So in Documents, when you hit the settings, Document Scan should be selected on the left, and then you can go into Save Settings, and in here, you can change where the save file is going to be located. Excuse me.
Okay, so save in. Save settings, save in, scans on the desktop. Okay, wonderful. And now, is it going to ask me which one I want to use, the document, photo, or custom, right? So I have a choice there.
Well, each button will start initializing the scan. Those you can set up independently from Document Scan by going into Settings and selecting the corresponding scan type from the sidebar or the left bar.
Okay. Okay then. That's it. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no. Wait a second. It says accept. It worked.
There it goes. Yeah, it just might take it a couple times. It depends.
Accept after firmware download is complete. The device will restart. Okay, who cares? Okay, get it. I hope it doesn't run Windows 95 on the back end.
That'd be nice. I mean, there was like a smart microwave that apparently got an update recently, and a lot of people have been freaking out about it because the firmware update made it fast.
At enormous rates, they're very expensive, but even with that, we still cannot be even close to a like human brain. But they'll find out. They'll find out how to work around.
They're already using it.
Yeah.
They're using like little AI.
And those random libraries, I mean, what they do with this professional music software is amazing. Let's say you take the strings or guitar or something playing chords, and it can listen to those chords, and it can convert it and give you the actual data of the chords progression. That's pretty cool. And if it didn't catch it right, it gives you a choice to